Hello. In this brief video we will walk through the steps of building groups in your eClass course. The Groups feature of eClass allows you to create subsets of your student roster in the participants list. This has many uses in your courses, such as to split students into smaller groups for online participation, restricting access to materials to specific students, creating overrides in online assignments and resources, and so much more. First, you would need to create the different groups that you'll be sorting students into. To do this, navigate to the participants list in your eClass course. Then, use the drop-down menu to open up the Groups page. The following page will allow you to create your groups and to insert members into each group. If you have a unique naming convention in mind, scroll down to the Manage area and click Create Group. On the page that follows, insert the group name, and then scroll down to the bottom to save this individual group. You can also create multiple standardized groups with the Auto Create Groups feature. When auto-creating your groups, you simply need to enter your naming convention and then insert an @ symbol where you want a letter to appear, or a number symbol where the number should appear. Then you will need to enter the number of groups you want, or the number of students that should be in each group. And then you need to decide whether students will be randomly allocated into each group, or by some rule, or if you do not want any student allocation, if you would like to sort the students into groups yourself. If you chose not to randomly allocate your students, you will then need to manually place them into each group. One place you can do this is within the Groups page. Simply click the name of the group you want to add students to, and then click the Add Remove Users button. On the following page, either click a single student to select them, or hold down the Control key on your keyboard, or the Command key if you're on a Mac, and click to select multiple students. After that, click the Add button to add them to the list for the group. You can also add students to groups, or change their group enrollment in the Participants list in the Groups column. In the Participants list, click the pencil icon next to a student's group enrollment in order to change it. Then you can remove or add groups as needed. And when you are done, you can click the floppy disk icon to save. There also might be instances where you may need many types of groups in your course page. For instance, in this example course, there are groups to split students into their course sections, and other groups to split them into small project groups. When you have many types of groups that separate the students in different ways, you will also want to create groupings. After creating your eClass groups, you can navigate to the Groupings page through the drop-down menu, and then click the Create Grouping button to add new sets of groups. Then you can add different groups to the grouping. Once completed, activities that split students into smaller participation groups can be done according to your specific groupings. For instance, a discussion forum could be set to split the students up by their section number or by their small project groups. For more information on the ways your eClass groups can be used to split up students for online participation, please see our other videos in the Groups playlist.